Where's it gone? Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you would have probably read from the title, I am doing another Disturbia mystery package unboxing. This package cost me £50 and it arrived after about 4 days of ordering. I'm supposed to receive £100 worth of merchandise. If you'd have seen my previous video, I ordered the £25 one and I got 2 items. One which was a choker and a shirt. I wasn't overly impressed with the 2 items, but I am intrigued with mystery packages, so I thought I'd go for the bigger one and see what we get. So this is what has arrived. It is slightly bigger and a little bit heavier. I'm going to assume there's 3 items in this one because there was only 2 in the £25 one. But let's get it open and see what's inside. I love Disturbia clothing, but okay, I think there's 3 items in here. Yeah. Right, let's dive straight in with this stripy thing. Does it say what it is? Frida Magdalena crop top. Oh, that's really cute. So I've ordered a size smaller than me because I'm on my weight loss journey. You would have seen in my previous video if you watched it. And the shirt ended up fitting me because it was an oversized shirt, which I was so annoyed about. But this looks like a size 14, so I am very unlikely going to fit that. So it's got a cute zip at the front and 2 buckles. And at the sides, there are straps. Ooh. So that is the first item. I like that, that's really pretty. Next. Oh, does that say loser? What is it? God, I love mysteries. Oh, cute. So it's like a sweat crop. Did I actually read what it said on the bag? Loser football jersey. This is probably going to fit me because once again it looks oversized. But it's got a mesh. And this will be perfect with like just a vest top, especially during the summer months because it gets hot wearing all black. Okay, so far so good. Yeah, I like that. Ooh. I'm not sure about the print though. It looks a bit weird. Like, it literally looks like stickers have been stuck on it. Well, we shall see once I've worn it and it's been through the wash. And the last item, this is heavy. What does it say? Pythia dress. We've got a dress. We've got a dress. So the fabric is like skatery fabric. That's how you can describe it. And it is... Ooh! That's a cute tag as well. I'll put that on my wall. So it's got a little hoop zip. Is that the front or the back? I think that is the back. That's the back. So it's got a zip down the back and whatever this is. and it's plain on the front. And it's like, yeah, it's like a skater dress. Oh, this is cute. I'm going to have to see if this might fit me. Can't promise anything, but it might fit me. So I'm going to have to try it on and see. Give me a tick. Right, so the dress does up, but it's a little bit tight fitting. But it gives me something to work towards, that I'll be able to fit in this comfortably. But this is the dress. It's quite funky. The little chain, and it's definitely just below the knee. But I think that's really cute. I really like this. So I got the Pythia dress, that's this, which is a size 14. I've not worn a 14 since I was like 14. I've got the Loser football jersey, which I think is very cute. Nice and flowy. And I got the Frida Magdalena crop. I'm not going to be confident enough to wear this yet, but that is really cute as well. So yeah, I think Disturbia did, well, I did pretty well. I think they did a really good job. It was £50. It's supposed to be £100 worth of merch. So I'm going to have a look and see if I can find them on the website, because the previous box I couldn't find the items that I bought. So, but someone posted them, they found them. I don't know where they found them, but I could not find them for the life of me. These are probably sale items or discontinued, but I would definitely recommend giving a mystery bag a go because they're exciting. I just love mysteries. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me, and if you are a regular, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.